Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2018 Grand Cherokee. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.